How to use Sniping Tool in Windows 10. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open your PC and you'll find text box-like option on bottom right corner of your screen. In here you'll find Screen Snipe. In here you'll find all these options to shape it. If you click on full screen will be screenshotted. Again, to do any shape you will find rectangle or oval. Simply drag it to where you want to screenshot it and your screenshot will be saved in your files and folder. This is how to use Sniping Tool on Windows 10. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.